I can't do it anymore. I cannot stand my car doing this. It is not appropriate for a sports car. It's got to get fixed. Yeah, that's just not doing it anymore. This look was cool in 70s muscle cars, not on a modern sports sedan. Nope. No sir, we are about to fix that. Look, you could fit a freaking small child between the gap here. I mean, this is ridiculous. Got about 31 inches. We're gonna make that a little bit closer to that 30 number. Maybe a little less than that. We'll see. Let's measure the front. Front is around 29 3/4, pretty much. It's more like 29 5/8, but we'll round up. So we're gonna try to even the back out the same amount. Well, that is a lot better. Hopefully it doesn't settle anymore, because then I think the back might be lower than the front, but so far so good. That's it.